Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Excuse the bare face I have going on today. It's Sunday, I'm relaxing, didn't feel like putting on some makeup. In today's video, I'm going to show you a healthy grocery haul. This is my Monday through Friday diet. This is typically what I have every week. On the weekends, I tend to cut loose a little bit. Not too much unless I'm traveling, then I really go off the rails. But I usually go shopping at Publix, and if you don't have a Publix near where you live or you don't know what Publix is a grocery store known to carry good quality food, good quality products. They have their own brand, it's Greenwise. So anything Greenwise is organic and clean ingredients. So I tend to stick with Publix because we don't have a Whole Foods around here. We don't have a Trader Joe's around the Gulf Shores area. And it's very heartbreaking, but you gotta make do with what you got. And I love Publix, so shopping really is a pleasure there. Oh yeah, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. I have a lifestyle channel, so it's an excuse to upload a bunch of random content and just label it as lifestyle because I love to talk about so many different things, but I do tend to stick to fitness, food, law of attraction, and personal experiences. So if you're into that kind of stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. All right, but let's go ahead and dive into what I got. I always get some romaine lettuce because I do have salads every day, either for dinner or lunch. And I love the Greenwise black bean burger. Sometimes I like to throw one in a salad, or for breakfast, I like to either make an omelet or like a sunny side up egg and then add some avocado and a little bit of cheese. It's so delicious. Now I know I can buy a whole cantaloupe for around the same price, if not cheaper, but sometimes I like to pay for convenience. So if you want to call me lazy, that's fine. I've been called worse. I got 3 avocados here. I always go with organic berries, organic raspberries and blueberries. I do eat berries daily, usually about a handful of each. And then we just got some eggs here. I didn't go with a dozen eggs today because I still have some from last week. I love the Greenwise Mexican blend cheese. It is organic as well. And Publix has a really good almond milk. I get the unsweetened vanilla that I love putting into my coffee every single morning. So it's smooth, it's creamy, I really like it. Now I love my snacks. I get this every week and it seriously doesn't last me too long. I can seriously go through a bag really quickly. And since I love snacking, intermittent fasting is definitely not for me. I quickly found out just because I just love to eat throughout the day. Something else I pick up around the same aisle are these Benito's chips. So they're made out of beans. They're nacho flavored. They're not the best tasting snack, but I feel like since it is kind of healthier, I just need some type of crunch throughout the day, you know what I'm saying? Now a huge staple in my pantry is dark chocolate. I get the sea salt soiree from Ghirardelli every week. When I was on keto, dark chocolate is allowed and it just kind of stuck with me, so love that. And I eat black beans a lot. I get the Goya low sodium, and of course I usually stick with Goya porque Goya tiene que ser bueno. And now hopping on over here, oh my precious Halo Top. Caramel macchiato is one of my favorite flavors of them. I don't buy this every week just because I don't have self-control. I can seriously just eat the whole thing in one sitting, even though it's quote-unquote healthier for you. I try to not overindulge really, but this week I had to get some. And then I had ran out of my multivitamin gummies, so I usually get the Greenwise Women's multivitamin gummy because I'm a child and they taste really good. Now I usually tend to eat real chicken for lunch. Chicken, broccoli, and black beans is usually my go-to healthy lunch for the week, but sometimes I like to cycle in vegan chicken. So I go with the Gardein 7-grain crispy tenders. The taste is all right. Like, it's not the greatest thing in the world. For me, it works. And then I switched to non-dairy Chobani Greek yogurt. I usually did the Chobani regular Greek in coconut. That was like my favorite flavor ever, but I switched to non-dairy and the blueberry is really good. The consistency obviously is really soupy. It's not like that whipped feel that the Greek yogurt has, but honestly for non-dairy purposes it'll do. And then I included this guy in the haul because I went to Costco yesterday and I've been meaning to incorporate turmeric in my diet. What I'm doing with this is pretty much putting it into my coffee every day. It comes with a scoop in here, but I just need a little bit, and a little goes a long way with this. So, but turmeric is a really good anti-inflammatory. It's really good for your digestion and weight loss. It just has a lot of benefits. And let me go ahead and show you what I have in the freezer that I didn't get today because I already have some. The broccoli florets and some whole pod edamame. I love snacking on this throughout the day as well. But those are my weekly staples that I usually get. You did not see any bread, pasta, rice. I tend to stay away from those throughout the week. Of course, on the weekends, like I mentioned, I indulge a little bit here and there. I have an adult beverage. I might have some carbs here and there. Now, when I say carbs, I am talking about like the bread carbs, like the potato carbs. Obviously, everything has carbs in it. The carbs that I have throughout the week come from vegetables, fruit, and foods like yogurt and stuff. But that's pretty much it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and hit that like button. That will let YouTube know that you liked it and therefore recommending it to other people. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.